Ni thukuruini wa airitu wa Kiriaini Mathioya kauntiini ya Murang'a, igongona ria gukungwira miaka 50 kuma thukuru uyu wambiririo, na oho gutugwo kwa arutwo aria mekite wega igeranio-ini iria rirekinyitio ni arutwo, aciari na atongoria. Makiaria hindi ya igongona riri, atongoria ni matariirie bata wa ngwataniro gatagati ka aciari, arutwo na arutani niguo kugacirithia mathomo na mitugo ya ciana ciao.
Education increases women's chances of participating in leadership, in politics, and the labor force. Education makes women to be employed and to hold on to jobs that are more secure. Educated women help to contain and prevent diseases and play a crucial role in reducing malnutrition.
Na kuona kaunti ya Murang'a niwe tongoretie hari gutigirira ciana iria ciekire kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka muthiru ni maingira secondary, maabitha a githomo ni mehitite ni meguthie na mbere na gutabania mungururio wa gwethana na arutwo aria matari maraingira thukuru.
We have 6 to account for, and of the 6, 2 of them repeated class 8, and 3 of the girls unfortunately are pregnant, 6 to 7 months. So definitely we cannot take them to Form 1, but we have booked them Form 1 places. When they get their children,
you can decide to use books that will help you in forming your future. But if you decide to close the doors of books, the gate of books, then you'll open gates of ignorance and you'll affect your future.
Hindi ya igongona riri, ritwa rieru ria thukuru uyu no riraruguririo kuria uritagwo St Angela Kiria-ini Girls, na oho kurugurio kwa riingiriro rieru ria thukuru uyu.
When you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Kiria-ini St Angela, you're shining, you're going far, and God is with you.
To the institution, as you celebrate 50 years, we say God be with you and to continue guiding you, and let us continue joining hands. One thing I can say is that where teachers, students, and parents work together, there is no doubt we will be able to ensure that we can grow our institutions.
Ngirifotra Inoro TV kuma Kiriaini Mathioya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.